bowling pin golf. Go for it.
Okay. Let's see. Have my funny clothes on. Then let's go.
Woo!
Okay, that wasn't the hole.
Your turn, Bubba.
I'm gonna get in the hole. Not. Okay. So, Reggie, do you get your funny clothes on?
I think this is funny enough.
Okay. By the way, the hole is right here.
Okay, we're ready.
5 miles away.
That means you're 50.
You're gonna hit the dog. Watch out, Maggie. And this is how the dog plays golf.
Okay, I'm gonna try this time. Those are all practices. Maggie, no. Come. Okay. Okay.
Oh, that's
Woo! Run, Maggie, run!
Okay, so that's amateur and awful golf.